Today's video is about one of the most requested topics on my channel. This is for all those women who've got a big belly. Hi, welcome back to our series on fashion and styling. You will find videos on almost all body types on my channel, focusing on each body part. And today's video is for those with an apple-shaped body, means who've got a belly much bigger in comparison to their upper and lower bodies. I've been getting a lot of messages and requests for this particular topic every day. So here it is. Now, if someone's got a big belly, then it is really hard hiding it. The bigger problem is they can neither wear anything loose because it makes them look even broader, nor can they wear anything that's tight-fitted, because then obviously the entire belly stands out. So in that case, what do they wear? Ideally, you should focus on the slimmest part of your waist to make it look thinner. But what if there is no waistline? Or if you cinch the waist, then your big belly looks even bigger, and you don't want to flaunt that. So what you can do is, you can skip any empire waistline or yoke designs from your outfits altogether. Just omit the yoke from any anarkalis or maxi dresses and let the kalis or panels start from your shoulder itself. The A-line or the flare should begin from the top only. If you still want to or have to carry a yoke, maybe because the silhouette of your outfit demands so, then prefer taking these in some printed fabrics or hidden under embroidery, so that it doesn't become so obvious and stand out. You just need to keep it in mind that none of the designs should focus on your mid area. It shouldn't take the vision to that part of your body. The main focal point has to be anywhere else but your tummy. Your outfit can have one or at the max two elements emphasized, and that emphasis just cannot be your belly part. Like, don't wear any belts or any such design that rests on your belly and highlights it even more. In case you are wearing an anarkali, then don't choose very flashy and catchy colors. Keep the entire outfit in basic colors and fabrics, but pair it with some nice dupatta or an ordni in some bright and attractive color. This will take away the entire focus from the outfit and create a strong distraction from your tummy. Another style that you can easily wear is anything that has panels. That could be either a tunic or a kurta. Panels are gonna break the vision and hence divide your body width and would create an illusion of a slimmer body. You can use this paneling element as in layering as well. You can pair up any contrast color shrug over your kurta. And if you're wearing a western outfit, then you can pair up jackets or capes to layer your ensemble. This will work very well in taking away the focus from your big belly. Color blocking can also help achieve a similar effect as paneling. Prefer taking vertical color blocks. This too shall break the vision and divide the width of your body in smaller parts and highlight only certain area at a time. Prefer taking an A-line kurta than a regular straight shirt. This won't be very flary but will camouflage your belly. And if you like flary, then even better. Lastly, I would suggest you to try asymmetrical hemlines. Asymmetrical means which is not equal all around. It could go up on one side and down on the other, or a higher front and a lower back. These cuts divert the entire focus from the big body and create a very nice illusion. You can't really figure out the exact width of the body. You can easily get asymmetrical styles in kurtas and dresses or even tops and cardigans. Other than the cuts and designs, it is very important what fabrics are you choosing. Don't go for any fluffy or stiff fabrics. These will fluff up your body and make you look bigger. Georgettes and chiffons are very good options for you. You can also go in for velvets during winters. I have mentioned a lot of points in this video that have already been mentioned in my other plus size videos. But these ones are specifically for women with an apple-shaped body. If you like this video, then do click like and share it with your friends. And do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching.